cook on this this here Weber or Traeger grill. I've used this before, but not to make ribs. So they're starting to look like they're getting good and ready. Next step is 2 more hours at 2:25. Got to wrap them in the foil according to the guide I read from Traeger. So, about to pop them in there with the foil on there. Okay, the package has been delivered. 2 more hours at 2 1/4. That bone. It's got bone meat. Is it smoky?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow. My first Traeger cook. Look at that. My first Traeger cook. Wow. It's pretty nice. Hope it tastes as good as it looks. Hope this tastes as good as it looks. Meat cutting footage. Oh, wait.
Oh, it smells delicious. So good.
That part has that little bone in the top.
Yeah. Boy, these are really falling off the bone. Wow.
Got some pink on there for my first on my first smoke.
This is so exciting, babe.
Yeah, there we go.
Barbecue sauce, unfortunately.
Get that juicy, meaty rib.